Have you ever wondered if the medicine you take daily could be silently affecting your health in ways you never imagined? Proton pump inhibitors, often referred to as PPIs, are quite popular and commonly used. These medications, typically prescribed for conditions like acid reflux, are a regular part of many people's daily routines. But, like many things, they may not be as harmless as they seem. Just recently, a study conducted by the University of Minnesota School of Public Health has brought a new perspective to the table. This research, involving over 5,700 participants aged 45 and older, delved deep into the long-term effects of PPI usage. And what they found may make you reconsider that daily pill. So, what did the researchers find that has raised eyebrows in the medical community? The study focused on over 5,700 participants, all aged 45 and older. Conducted by the University of Minnesota School of Public Health, this research delved into the long-term effects of prescription proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs, on cognitive health. The methodology was straightforward and meticulous. The researchers meticulously tracked the participants' PPI usage, ensuring a clear understanding of the duration and frequency of use. The focus was on those who had been on these acid reflux medications for an extended period, specifically more than 4.4 years. The findings were quite startling. The research revealed that the participants who had been taking PPIs for more than 4.4 years were 33% more likely to develop dementia compared to those who never took the medication. That's a significant increase, and it certainly raises eyebrows about the potential risks of prolonged PPI use. However, it's important to note that the study only took into account prescription PPIs, leaving out over-the-counter versions of the medication. This is a significant limitation because it does not provide a complete picture of the effects of all types of PPIs. The researchers put forth a theory that prolonged PPI use might lead to a vitamin B12 deficiency and changes in the gut microbiome, both of which could have a negative impact on cognitive health. But these are just theories at this stage. They provide a starting point for understanding the potential connection between PPIs and dementia, but they don't tell the whole story, and so we're left with a significant query. But the question still lingers: why would PPIs increase the risk of dementia? The researchers have some theories, and they revolve around our gut and a crucial vitamin. So let's delve into this fascinating world of gut health, vitamin deficiencies, and the mind. First, we have proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs. These are commonly prescribed medications for acid reflux. However, prolonged use of PPIs may lead to a deficiency of a very important substance, vitamin B12. Now, vitamin B12 isn't just any vitamin. It's essential for the normal functioning of the brain and the nervous system. It's also involved in the formation of red blood cells and helps to create and regulate DNA. So, a deficiency in vitamin B12 could potentially have significant impacts on cognitive health, but that's not all. The researchers also suggest that long-term PPI use could lead to changes in the gut microbiome. You might be wondering, what's the gut microbiome got to do with our brain? Well, our gut, often referred to as the second brain, houses trillions of microorganisms that play a crucial role in our overall health. A healthy gut microbiome contributes to a strong immune system, heart health, brain health, improved mood, healthy sleep, and effective digestion. Now, imagine if this balance is disrupted. An altered gut microbiome could potentially impact our brain health. This is due to the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between our gut and our brain. Changes in our gut microbiome could send signals to the brain that may lead to changes in cognitive function, potentially increasing the risk of conditions like dementia. However, this is not to say that taking PPIs will certainly lead to dementia. These are theories based on a study, and while they are backed by scientific reasoning, they are not definitive proof. The connection is suggested, not confirmed, and further research is needed to fully understand the possible links between PPI use, vitamin B12 deficiency, gut microbiome changes, and cognitive health. Like any study, this one has its limitations. The exploration into the connection between proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs, and dementia is no exception. One of the most significant limitations is that the study only considered prescription PPIs. Over-the-counter PPIs, arguably as commonly used, were not included in the study. This exclusion leaves a substantial gap in our understanding. Additionally, the study was observational in nature. This means it identified a correlation between long-term PPI use and a higher risk of dementia, but it did not establish a definitive cause and effect relationship. The possibility that other factors might have contributed to the observed increase in dementia risk cannot be entirely ruled out. Let's consider the duration of PPI use. The study found that those who took PPIs for more than 4.4 years were 33% more likely to develop dementia. But what about those using PPIs for shorter periods or those using lower doses? These are questions that remain unanswered, indicating the need for further, more comprehensive research. Moreover, the study's findings suggested that prolonged PPI use may lead to vitamin B12 deficiency and changes in the gut microbiome, which could impact cognitive health. However, this is a hypothesis that requires further investigation to confirm. The implications of this study are indeed significant, but it's crucial to remember that it is a single piece of a larger puzzle. More research is needed to definitively establish the connection between PPI use and dementia, to understand the underlying mechanisms and to explore potential strategies for mitigating the risk. So, should you stop taking your prescribed PPIs out of fear? Well, that's a discussion for the next scene. The answer isn't a simple yes or no. Life seldom presents us with black and white scenarios, and the same can be said about the use of proton pump inhibitors or PPIs. It's not just about whether to take them or not, but about understanding the unique circumstances of each individual. Every person is a complex tapestry of genetic makeup, lifestyle choices, and health history. This complexity requires an individualized approach to healthcare decisions. When it comes to managing acid reflux, the treatment plan should be as unique as the person it's designed for. Let's consider PPIs, for instance. Long-term use may be linked to an increased risk of dementia, but remember, correlation does not necessarily mean causation. These medications have proven benefits and have helped many individuals manage the symptoms of acid reflux effectively. So, what's the takeaway here? It's a call to action for you to become an active participant in your healthcare decisions. Talk to your healthcare provider about the risks and benefits of PPI use. Ask questions, understand your treatment options and the potential implications of each. And remember, PPIs aren't the only solution for acid reflux. There are alternative treatment options available. These could include other medications, lifestyle changes like diet and exercise, or even natural remedies. Discuss these options with your healthcare provider. Healthcare isn't a one-size-fits-all industry. It's a field that should be tailored to the individual, taking into account their specific needs, concerns, and overall well-being. It's about making informed decisions and finding the right balance between managing symptoms and potential risks. Remember, your health is unique to you, and the decisions about it should be too. Don't let the fear of potential risks overshadow the importance of effective symptom management. Be proactive, be informed, and most importantly, be an advocate for your health.